don't know what this one does.
Take a look at this notebook.
Is that the dog one I missed?
Yeah, it's fine. I don't want to do this.
Those are the Twin Freaks.
That's not bad. I don't know if it's $1.75 good, but
We get two for $1.75. Should we do the car?
Yeah.
Oh man, this one looks like it's firecrackers in it.
I guess we'll find out.
I'm hungry now because I'm hungry.
Oh, thanks.
I don't.
I'm probably just gonna get stuck in a hole.
It's probably gonna be loud.
Some Sheldon's. Probably not gonna be that great. That wasn't bad. 50 cents?
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Alright, now what? Two tanks at the same time?
No, one tank.
One tank?
If they shoot each other, that would be fun.
Oh, those go for quite a while, David.
That went for a long time.
Yeah, it did.
Didn't do much though.
No.
Careful, it might be hot
No,
still.
it didn't go on. It is underground.
Careful.
Right here.
Watch out.
I'm watching it.
David, come on. David. Back.
Oh, it hit the crack.
David. Man, those go for a minute.
Yeah, those go for a long time.
Don't touch it. Leave it.
I'll go.